Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page information. In this particular video, I would like to tell you top 10 sleeping tablets used in USA. So first of all, Ambien, number 2, Lunesta, number 3, Sunita, number 4, Restoril, number 5, Restoril, number 6, Halcyon, number 7, Bella Sumra, number 8, Diazepam, number 9, Salinor, and number 10, 81. So all these medicine are widely used in for sleeping because there is so many people they have to use them because there is a problem with these people due to depression, due to anxiety. So they cannot sleep properly and they have to use these sleeping tablets which make and improving their sleep. So that was a little bit about the top 10 tablets used in USA by the US citizen or US people. Hope you people have liked this video. For more informative video, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and Facebook page and follow me because you know this mostly I have been creating a very informative video on different topics, especially for tablet for on the basis of the tablets, disease or other condition. So thank you for watching. See you again next time.